Welcome. If you want to activate Hey Google of your Google Assistant in your UMIDIGI A3, we can do this in two ways. The first one, as you can see, I say Hey Google, and this we get some kind of notification. So when you want to turn that off, you have to click right here to agree. And as you can see right now, it's turned on. But we can also make it on the second way if this notification doesn't pop in your case. So we have enter for the Google app, then move to the more and tap on the settings. Then go for the voice, and right here we got the voice match, so click, and as you can see right here we can easily turn on voice match by tapping on the switcher. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!